How to start off-grid living with just $5,000. Here's the practical blueprint to make it a reality. Secure affordable land through owner-financed plots, land leases, or overlooked rural lots. Allocate the largest portion of your budget here. Choose a minimalist shelter like a yurt, shed, or converted trailer. Use reclaimed materials and basic tools to save on costs. Furnish simply. Stick to what you need. Prioritize insulation, warmth, and shelter before comfort or decor. Set up basic rainwater catchment with barrels and simple filters. Collect, store, and clean water for daily use. Purify collected water using affordable DIY filtration. Gravity-fed systems, charcoal or ceramic filters can be assembled on a tight budget. Invest in a small off-grid solar setup. 1 or 2 panels plus a deep cycle battery are enough for simple lighting and phone charging. Prioritize efficient lighting. Use rechargeable LEDs and headlamps to maximize limited solar power and reduce fire risks. Start a small vegetable garden using salvaged wood and seeds. Grow hardy, fast crops first to supplement your meals affordably. Prioritize easy, cost-effective crops, beans, squash, and leafy greens. Stagger planting for a steady food supply over months. Preserve surplus harvests using basic canning and drying methods. Extend your food supply and reduce waste through simple preservation. Build a basic compost system for food and garden waste. Create natural fertilizer for next planting season. No expensive equipment needed. Construct a DIY rocket stove for efficient outdoor cooking. Use firewood and local scrap materials. No electricity or gas required. Keep routines simple. Line dry laundry. Hand wash only essentials. This saves money and reduces your daily energy needs. Your off-grid future is possible on $5,000. Start small, stay practical, and step into new self-sufficiency now.